Hepatocellular carcinoma, which arises from the background of chronic liver disease, is a highly lethal malignancy with over 40,000 new cases a year in the US. Worldwide, it's the fifth leading cancer in the world and the third most common cause of cancer death. The common risk factors predisposing patients for HCC include viral hepatitis, alcohol cirrhosis, and non-alcohol cirrhosis arising from fatty liver. Surgical resection or transplant provide a curative option for early stage HCC. When patients are diagnosed with unresectable or advanced HCC, treatments are palliative. The goal of treatment is to control cancer and prolong survival. Now we have 8 FDA-approved systemic therapy for advanced HCC. Upfront, in patients who have not received systemic therapy, there are 2 approved treatments, sorafenib or lenvatinib. In patients who have received 1 systemic therapy, now we have 6 FDA-approved treatment options, including regorafenib, cabozantinib, ramucirumab, nivolumab, pembrolizumab, and the combination of nivolumab and ipilimumab. The combination of nivolumab and ipilimumab is approved on March 10, 2020 by FDA for patients who with HCC who have previously been treated with sorafenib. It is under accelerated approval process, and continued approval is contingent upon confirmation and description of clinical benefit in confirmatory studies. The approval is based on the data from Checkmate 040 study, a multi-center, multi-cohort, open-label clinical trial for patients with HCC who progressed on sorafenib or intolerant to sorafenib treatment. A total of 49 patients received nivolumab 1 milligram per kilogram of weight in combination with ipilimumab 3 milligram per kilo of body weight every 3 weeks for 4 doses, followed by a single agent nivolumab 240 every 2 weeks until disease progression or unacceptable toxicities. In this study, the overall response rate was reported at 33%, with 9% of patients had complete response, and 31% of response lasted at least 24 months. The adverse reaction from the combination therapy are common but manageable. Over 50% of patients receive the combination experience grade 3 or higher adverse events. The adverse events lead to treatment delay in over 60% of patients and treatment discontinuation in about 29% of patients. A handful of patients, which is about 8%, received corticosteroid treatment for immune-mediated toxicities. Most of these immune-mediated adverse events could be resolved completely and by steroid treatment. And patients, so in another word, physicians or other medical staff taking care of patients receiving the combination immunotherapy needs to be very vigilant about monitoring or managing the adverse events. We're very excited about the 2 newly FDA-approved treatments which have provided patients with hepatobiliary cancer more options.